Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are learning Salesforce and we are currently at the topic of data modeling, chapter 2. The first chapter was about custom and standard objects, and if you haven't watched the video, the link is in the description of this video. Feel free to go ahead and watch it so that you can understand the chapter 2. Now let's dive deep into it. So the objective of this chapter is to learn the different types of relationship and how to create and modify them. So what is an object relationship? So object relationship is linking two different kinds of objects that is present in Salesforce, which are not only the standard objects but also the custom created objects. Uh, so this is in terms of database. This is kind of a foreign key which links two different tables for better understandability. Yes. So the example that they have provided here in um, in Salesforce is the predefined relationship that they already have between the accounts and the contacts. So whenever there is an account being created, there can be multiple contacts associated to that particular account who is managing it. So you can find any entity that is associated can have its relative buttons created to that entity, and it is that is how it is shown at the top right corner of the image that is shown like new contact. So whenever a contact is created via this new contact object, then this particular account, the contact that is being created from a particular account, that account will be linked to the contact that is being created. So what is the use of this? So these contacts are displayed in the accounts page itself or the accounts view itself, which makes it easier to look at the particular representative for that account and just get in touch with them or see their details if required. So this is what object relationship is. So what are the types of object relationship that we have in Salesforce? It is the lookup relationship and master detail relationship. So what we just saw between account and a contact is basically the lookup relationship. So the lookup relationship link can be like one to one or one to many. So the account contacts is like one to many example. So that's how the lookup relationship is. The master detail relationship is like master. So one object is called the master, the other object is called the detail. So the master object actually controls the behavior of the detail object. So the difference between the lookup and master detail is like for lookup, uh, the second object to which it is linked can exist independently. Meaning in accounts and contacts, you can create a contact which is not linked to an account, and you can also create a contact which is linked to the account. But whereas in master detail relationship, that is not possible. Only when the master is created, the detail can be created, and they both are interlinked. And if the master is deleted, uh, the detail is automatically deleted. Uh, hope that explains it. But if you're looking for an example, the example that they have provided here is in the previous video we would have created a few custom objects. So a property can have multiple offers, but imagine if the house owner wants to remove the property for the sale itself. That means the offers are no longer valid. So these offers are the detail of the master property. So if we are going to delete the property, then the offers are also to be deleted. So that is the best example that is provided here. And if you have any doubts, you can just write it in the description or email me to my email address provided in the channel description. So more on relationship. So they have just compared here the real life, but um, basically creating a relationship between two objects makes your data model difficult. So if you ask like, since it is going to make it difficult, is it a good idea to create the lookup or lookup relationship between two objects? it is definitely recommended to create a relationship between objects based on the requirement, and if it is required, then yes, you should go and proceed for creating it. And after that, there is one other third relationship type that is present in Salesforce but not much used. It is called hierarchical relationship. So this is basically used in users alone, so that you can create a hierarchical uh, profile format in which the data can be maintained for the organization users or any type of users that will be added in your Salesforce organization. So they have provided the steps on how to create a lookup and in custom objects or in a master detail relationship. So we will just try that uh, in the task that is given for the playground. If you guys want to try it out, just try it out, and if anything doesn't work, feel feel free to ping in the command. Okay, so yep, we are going there, and we have to create a master detail field on the offer object and create a custom lookup field on the offer object. So let's go to setup and object manager. Do we have offers? Yeah, so we have offers details, so we have to create a master detail relationship. So yep, external master detail relationship, external lookup and lookup. So we have selected that master detail. The next related to, I guess should be related to offer, right? So this will be related to property. Okay, okay, seems like we missed out something, and it is like, okay, create a property object as described in the previous unit. So here we go, understanding custom object. So this is the previous unit, and here is the object. So what we are gonna do is like object manager, create custom object, and the custom object is gonna be property properties, and then in the sidebar click field and relationship, and then save it. So field and relationship, create a new data type, select currency, next, and field label price. So description required to be mandatory, and next, and save. Okay, now we can go to the object manager again and go to offers and field and relationship, new master detail, next, and we should be getting the property here. Yep, related to property. So let's just switch back to our current chapter, and then yep, to property, and then next, field label to be property, field name to be property. That's it. next, 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 save. So that's how you create a master detail. Next, create a custom lookup on the offer object. Lookup should be the contact. So new lookup relationship. Next, contact, see, contact. Yep. Next, 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 save. So now you have clicked, created it, check and earn. So as the checking goes, as usual, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe button, and share it with your friends so that they can also learn and make Salesforce as your career. Okay. Yep, we are done. Catch you guys in the next video. Bye.